Good afternoon, everybody. Steve Georgie here, live from Allendale's trading floor. It is May 14th, 2010. I'm here with your market wrap-up for the week. We had excitement again here today. Stock market started off sharply lower. It finished, or I guess it's not finished just yet, but it is down more than 200 points. So that started everything here today, with the stock market being down and concerns of Europe still lingering in the markets. You've got investors taking money out of European markets and going into more of their safe havens where they're looking at the dollar, also looking at gold. Early on today, I should say, for gold, just because by the end of the session, gold ended up only $3 higher. So it's only up $3 right now. Still finishing gold $21 higher for the week. But looking at it today, we are significantly off of our highs. We made a very sharp move early. When I sat down this morning, gold was up over 20 bucks. Now it's, like I said, backed off significantly here. But still up pretty good on the week. Silver, 77 cents higher on the week. But today started off just like the gold, started off sharply higher, and at this point down about 24 cents. So finding some pressure, finding some end of the week profit taking, which in turn has pulled this market back down here. I feel that we probably are going to find some strength again maybe next week if we see the dollar continuing to strengthen up and we continue to see the stock market pull back. But as I mentioned, stock market down over 200 points. That had influenced the grains here today as well. Corn down about 10 cents today. Beans down 11 cents. The wheat market down 7.5. After all this excitement for the week, corn was down only 9 cents for the week. We did find kind of a weaker close here today, but it is within the support, or it's within the range that we've been in. July, as long as it can hold that 360 area, we may end up finding a little bit of a rebound. But we did close above 360 for that July contract. Beans were down only 6.5 cents. So we may end up finding some strength there as well. With all of the outside markets reacting how they had, I'm kind of surprised that the grains had held in there as well as they did. The wheat market, though, down 39 cents for the week. So getting punished there for the week. Finding some pressure. I think it was more technical than anything. We had seen some breaks down below support, and you found that selling just pour into the market and pushed it down 39 cents for the week. Crude oil. We know last week we've seen about a $12 drop in crude oil. This week we were down about $3.60. Today for the June contract, we took most of that lower, down $2.90 today for June. July down $3.70. So what we had seen last week was the nearby contract, that June contract, just get absolutely hammered on. And the July, not as much. Still pulled back significantly, but not as much as the June. Now we've seen kind of the shifting. July was pressured more than the June contract today. June goes off the board here, I believe, next Thursday. So it is still lead contract right now, but a lot of shifting between those two markets. Nonetheless, it was a very weak close here for crude oil. Looks like we still have some downside to go, and we'll see if that does continue here next week. The dollar, significantly stronger today. We were up 87 cents once again. As I mentioned, we still have concerns in Europe that is bringing investors into the U.S. dollar, looking at that as more of a safe haven for now. We've had a very strong close, up $1.59 for the week. So very strong. You got the dollar sitting above 86 bucks. 86.22 is where it's at right now. But you have to extend the chart out a little bit. Look at a continuous chart. And you've got some good resistance here at this 86.40, 86.50 area going back all the way to April of 2009. So we'll see if this can hold here. But with the close today, looks like it's going to close strong. And with Europe concerns still lingering out there, we may go right through that resistance here and end up another $1.50 higher again next week if this market's going to continue higher. But look at that resistance area for now, and you've got to, like I said, look at a continuous chart in order to see that. So as far as livestock, we were down sharply today. Stock market breaking. You saw that spill on over into that livestock market. Fat cattle down $2.20. You had feeders down more than $2 today, and you had the hogs following suit, down $1.22. So we've seen a lot of sharp moves here. These markets are certainly volatile right now. It's giving you a lot of opportunity out there. So give us a call over here with any questions that you might have. We've got a lot of experienced brokers that are willing to work with you. You can reach us here at 800-262-7538. And I can't stress enough the importance of reading our research, looking at our research product, and staying up on what's going on here if you're going to be involved with these markets. If you've not looked at our research product, you can get on the web, take a look at it there. Call any of us over here, and we'd be glad to get you set up on a free trial as well. I strongly encourage you guys do that. And also, pass this on to anybody that you may find interested in hearing about what's going on out there. You know, I greatly appreciate that as well. Once again, the number here, 800-262-7538. Hope you had a great day and a great week. We'll talk to you next week. Take care.